What's up, everybody? This Big Black Wolf. Finna give you some Madden gameplay. I'm gonna play with the Houston Texans and try to get Deshaun Watson some championships. A lot's been going on with the Texans surrounding Deshaun Watson if he want to stay in Houston or not. So I'm gonna play this franchise mode, see if I can turn it around for him and the Texans. And I'm playing the season that they played this year, so let's see what they can do. If they lose a couple of games, Bill O'Brien out the door, quick, fast, and in a hurry. And I hadn't played Madden in a minute, so chances are I'm gonna lose. Yeah, this looks like Texas in real life. I think we're gonna catch an L. Look, J.J. Watt can't even tackle nobody. Come on now. Okay, that's better. Shame. This gonna be a long game. You can tell I don't play Madden like I used to. Deshaun Watson is an MVP type player, a champion player. He's a champion without a ring, if that makes sense. Oh man. I always wonder if Deshaun Watson and Patrick Mahomes switch places, what would it be like for them and what would it be like for both teams? I think it would still be the same. I think that the Chiefs would be a champion, and I think that the Texans would struggle. Mahomes would probably look good, but he wouldn't win nothing. Because one player can't win a championship, especially not in football. It ain't happening. Who is y'all GOAT player? I feel like it's really not a GOAT. I feel like it can't be a GOAT in any sports because well, that was an easy one. But I feel like it can't be a GOAT because so many different players in different eras and they can't play each other. So how can you really determine a GOAT like that? And then with football, everybody don't play offense and defense like basketball. Some people say Tom Brady. Some people say Joe Montana. I know most people want to give it to quarterbacks, but I mean they only play one position. It's the most important, but it's only one. So let's see what this Texans offense gonna do. Okay. I had a hole. I had a hole. Yeah, boy. Okay. To be honest, I thought I was gonna be 3 and out. I didn't think I was gonna get a first down on my first drive, but hey, what it do? Okay. Duke Johnson not so bad. Man, I couldn't believe when Bill O'Brien traded DeAndre Hopkins. I was sad. And I was wondering what kind of dope he was smoking. Like, keep me away from that dope. I don't want none of that. No. Y'all. That's that Madden cheese right there. Which that was a dumb play by me. I had somebody open. Man, it's kind of funny how when you watch Madden, you can see like everything, but when you playing it, you miss stuff to after the play. I think the Texans need to, in real life, make the defense better. I think add one more piece to the offensive line, like just one. Get them a running back, some young fresh legs, and maybe one receiver. Statistically, Deshaun Watson had his best season this year as far as like passing yards and stuff. He was one of the best. I don't think he needs a superstar receiver, but I feel like, to be honest, to be real, trading DeAndre Hopkins for David Johnson was like trading DeAndre for me. They could have stuck me out there. I'd have made that check. Alright, this is my next drive. Let's see what we're going to do with this one. Kansas City really don't have a great defense. I think it's masked by the play of Patrick Mahomes in that offense. Their defense ain't bad, but if the offense wasn't as good as it was, you would kind of see. Look at Deshaun. Go, Deshaun. Go. We gonna slide. We gonna slide to the left. We gonna slide to the right. And Texas ownership is just horrible. Bob McNair, the late Bob McNair, he wasn't the best owner, but he was definitely better than his son. You can tell the difference between he and his son. It's kind of like Cal McNair got ownership of the team because his dad passed, and he don't want to sell it because he just don't want it out of his family name, but he really don't want to run it. But he really don't have a choice. Will Fuller, the speedster. Will Fuller, Will Fuller. Yes, sir. Man, I don't want to know nothing about that. Let me play my game. Let's see, can we get in there? Woo. Close. Oh, wait, we got the touchdown. I think they gonna challenge that. I don't think we got in there. Okay. That's what it do. If they trade Deshaun Watson, which I hope they don't, I hope they're able to build around him and give him a chance at a championship or multiple, at least 2 titles. But if they don't and they trade him, I would hope he would go to maybe Pittsburgh to replace Roethlisberger, or San Francisco. I think San Francisco will be perfect for him. I feel like they would turn around instantly, and then the players coming back from injuries. A lot of the players got injured this year, so a lot of the players will be back off of injury, and then you add Deshaun Watson. Boom. The 49ers would be hard to beat. And not be a 49ers fan again. I used to be a Niners fan, but I kind of stopped during the Jeff Garcia era. Then I started liking the Titans and the Texans. I really like the Titans because of Steve McNair, pretty much. And then when he went to Baltimore, that was it for them. But I was liking the Titans and the Texans. Like, okay. And it was in the same division. That was crazy. Man. You know what that touchdown tell me? You know what that tell me, y'all? I do not know what I'm doing. Don't have the slightest clue. My favorite Maddens are the ones on the original Xbox and PS2. Those Maddens. Like Madden 01 to Madden 10 probably. I think 10 probably was the last one that was on that generation. PS2 and original Xbox. I used to play with Peyton Manning, and I outcall so many plays. I would play just the way he played in real life. Look at that. That dude named David Johnson. I don't know what happened to David Johnson, but he was cold at one point. Like, if we'd got the old David Johnson, oh man, that would have been spectacular. That would have been like, okay, see you Hopkins, but the running game gonna be beast. Instead, they traded Hopkins for me and a sack of potatoes. Potatoes were good though. To be honest, I'm doing better than I thought I would. I thought I'd get like blown out early, but I'm kind of hanging in there a little bit, just a little bit. We're gonna try some of this shotgun formation, okay? Some of this shotty. Let's see if Brandon Cooks can go out. Let's see, can he boy him? He can't. But we got Kenny Stills. Okay. On the game, I'm gonna give Bill O'Brien a chance. He gonna have a short leash, but he gonna have a chance. I think I'm gonna stick with the team as is for this first year. But then after that, I'll probably make my changes then. See what we can do with this team. Yeah, buddy, that was my fault there. I hate throwing interceptions. Man, I got mad love for Patrick Mahomes. Look. This dude 8 for 8, bro. 8 for 8. Perfect game so far. He probably only gonna miss probably one pass. Open up, spread out. There you go. Wow. This man is killing us. Can I be a Chiefs fan? I mean, for real. Can I be a Chiefs fan? I know that's bandwagon. And I'm like one of the biggest people who talk about bandwagon. But I'm ready to jump on the bandwagon for the Chiefs. I hope that the Texans are able to, put something around Deshaun. But if they trade him, man, send him to 49ers. I'll be a 49ers fan again. I go back. I don't know if they'll take me back, but I'll go back. They might be done with me. I love them boys back from Steve Young and Jerry Rice, I wasn't old enough for Montana. I think when I came along, Montana was on the Chiefs. Okay, that's a good stop. I don't know how the Texans draft picks are on this game. I don't know if it's like the real life or do I get my first picks or what. But I'm gonna keep whatever I got. Whatever the game gave me. This first season, we gonna run it as is. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. We gonna run it. This is my favorite kind of run right here. Oh, and I ain't do nothing with it. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. Alright. DW4. What we got? Okay. Boop, check down. I hate check down. Sometimes you gotta do them. Let's see what we got. Okay. Wait, who's calling time up? I guess I'll punt. Normally, when I play Madden, I don't punt normally. But I'm trying to play it safe because I don't trust this defense. Not one bit. I don't kind of trust this defense. Man, we cannot let them score before the break. cannot do it. Good tackle. I mean, more like a force out, but good enough. 10 seconds. What you gonna do with it? Y'all gonna stand up or y'all gonna fall down? What you gonna do? J.J. Watt, oh reliable. I may end up trading Watt to see what I can get. I like him. I think he's a staple for the team. I think he's been, history-wise, he's the team's best player. But I think it might be time to like move on and see what you can get for him before it's too late. I think he still got about 2 more decent years in him. Then after that, it'll be downhill from there. And I think the position that Houston's in, they need to trade him and get something. Maybe a second or third round pick. You ain't getting the one from him at this point. But you could get a. I think you can get a second. It just depends on who you trade him to. You know. Who? What a spin move. Alright, let's get this drive going. I love some slant plays. I'm going to look for him too around the car. And sacked. Is that Deshaun Watson or is that David Carr? I can't really tell right now. Woohoo! Big time catch. From fails. I thought he was going to fail to make the catch, but he didn't. Alright, let's see what Duke got. Let's something. If he could have broke loose, though, he was going to the house. Okay, I know what I want to do, y'all. Ooh, okay. Duke Johnson picked up, got some yards. Let's run no huddle. Yes, sir. They use a juke. Let's see what we got here. That's just what I want. Man, why is Deshaun Watson slower than this dude, man? Ain't no way. That's Madden cheese, there. Ain't no way in the world Deshaun Watson supposed to be slower than him, especially not in that position. Oh, jeez Louise. Man. Bruh. Bill O'Brien. You might be frying like some chicken. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. So what do we do here? I'm going for it. Because if they get the ball back, it's over. If I don't score, it's over. What was that? Did Deshaun Watson just throw one of my passes? That was a big black whoop pass there. Yeah, that was one of mine. Bruh. That was terrible. Was that Sammy Watkins? Man. Lord, he finna bust loose. You know, I'm actually surprised in this team, though. We're not really doing horrible. It's just, we ain't doing good either. Man, I suck, though. I'm gonna be real. I suck. I hadn't played Madden in I don't know how long. It's gonna take me some time. So this season might reflect the actual season for the Texans. Based on, I can't play no way. I don't believe that's a fumble. I ain't even jumping for that. You ain't gonna hear me scream or nothing. They finna challenge this. Oh, they didn't challenge it. Okay. Yeah! But come on, bro. Come on. Where the block at? Where the block at? Okay. Here we go. No blocking. Wow. Deshaun Watson can't breathe. He can't breathe. I swear this is like David Carr, man. All over again. People don't understand David Carr actually was a solid quarterback. It was just he had no time to show it. Wow. This is terrible. I had a man open, but I know how Madden is. Had I thrown it when he got open, it would have threw it straight to the other defender, the linebacker that was standing there waiting. So I was trying to hold on like another second before I threw the ball. Because Madden got that cheese, and you would throw it straight to the D. Man, we're not doing a bad job, though. Like, I'm shocked. Come on, I want him. Okay. I see you, my brother. I see you. I'm gonna give y'all some 2K videos too. I just gotta figure out like what I want to do on 2K. I was trying to figure out what I want to do here, but we gonna do this franchise. Now, if Deshaun Watson get traded, I might do this franchise and trade him and try to make the Texans good and do another one for y'all. Yeah. Skirt. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, that boy getting down on the floor. Alright, this is an opportunity. So what do we do with it? Well, he called it though. I'll take that, you know. Dang, they got David Johnson on this play. I prefer Duke Johnson. I just think he's faster. He's younger. Yep. See, if that was Duke Johnson, that would have been a touchdown. No question, that would have been a touchdown. Alright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ooh, yes, let's go. Let's get it. That's that signature Deshaun Watson's celebration. Them Houston Texans. H-Time. Chopped up and not slopped up. We gonna do some chopped and screwed, or we just gonna get screwed? We gonna find out, y'all. We gonna find out. Let's see what this defense gonna do. Man, I'm for real. I'm gonna fire Bill O'Brien in season. If you can still do it on this Madden, I don't know yet. I know on some of the previous ones you could fire them during the season, and some of them you couldn't. You had to wait till the off season. Let them screw up. I'm gonna fire him. I'm gonna fire him. I'm gonna burn him. I'm gonna burn him. One thing I noticed about the Texans in real life is that they try to mimic New England. Like you can't mimic nobody. You gotta do your own thing. I only seen somebody copying New England work once, and that was the Chiefs when they had Matt Castle for their quarterback. They had Todd Haley as the head coach, Charlie Weiss as the offensive coordinator, and Romeo Crennel as the defensive coordinator. It worked for that 1 year. We don't know how long it would have continued to work because Charlie Weiss ended up going to Notre Dame, I think. He left. And the offense wasn't the same after he left. So we don't know if that would have been like a continued thing. Outside of that, people copying New England just don't work. The biggest thing you need is Bill Belichick. And without him, it's not likely to be sustainable to do what he does. Now, what would be funny is if Deshaun Watson get traded to the New England Patriots to Bill Belichick. Ooh, look at that pick. If Deshaun Watson is sent to New England, you got to put them back in the title picture. You got to. And him with Deshaun Watson with Bill Belichick would be like LeBron James getting Greg Popovich or Phil Jackson. Something that LeBron never had. But that's a different sport. And that's for a different time. David Johnson. Man. That's David Johnson. I don't want David Johnson. No offense to him. Yeah, give me Duke Johnson. Let's see what Duke gonna do. Okay. Let's see. He ain't do nothing. But it's a hype though. It's a hype though. Alright. We on Chur and Tree. Chur and Tree. Boom. Will Fuller. First order of business. Texas better sign Will Fuller. Unless you can trade him for a pick to get you another receiver. But I would try to keep Fuller. Because when he's healthy, dude is cold. I thought he was a steal to begin with when Houston got him. So I would try to keep him. But David Johnson, I don't know what they can do with him. I guess cut him, maybe, but you still owe him money probably because you picked up his contract. I don't know if you can trade him for anything. I don't think nobody else would be stupid enough to pick his contract up. Unless you trade him for like some low picks. Maybe a team will be willing to take him on. Maybe like Patriots, Bill Belichick. But then again, no, I don't think so. I don't see him going there. Man, Arizona need to take him back, man. Take him back. Please take him back. I don't like to give y'all no little short videos, man. All this TV editing. No, sir. Tyreek, you know what? Tyreek Hill really hadn't done nothing in this game. He really hadn't showed up. But let me shut my mouth before he wake up. Yay. Yay. So Patrick Mahomes threw 2 interceptions as well as Deshaun Watson. Hey, it is what it is. Yeah! Good bat down. Finally. We gonna blitz him. I'm a blitzing man myself. Oh my God. Why? Why? Just why? I'm betting it's a face mask. I bet it's a face mask. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's holding. And we gonna accept. They still kinda got it back. Still. Why am I still in the dime formation? This is why they killing me. What the? Oh my God, bro. My homeboy, man. Golly. Cuss him out. Cuss him flat out. They ain't Matt Cass on the Chiefs doing kickoff in there? Golly. Okay. I see you, man. Oh, yeah. I got Red Dead Redemption, the first one. So I'm going to do videos on that, too. It's going down. Big Black Wolf. We gonna play a little of everything. Yeah, we gonna play a little bit of everything. We ain't gonna just stick to one game. That can get boring. And I don't see myself doing multiple channels. So, unless I do something else on the other channels. But as far as this gaming channel, oh man, we gonna play some of everything. Everything? Everything. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright. Ooh. If I get the time. If I get the time. Oh, shoot. Right there. I was looking at the wrong man. I almost blew that one, y'all. Let's see what we got. Yep, check down. I don't have a problem with running the check down. Man, why they took the animation of no huddle offense out the game, man? They take the realism from the game. They don't just magically appear in real life. Dude. Ooh, I thought he was gone. I thought he broke loose. Thought my boy got loose as a goose. Let me pay attention to clock management. Dang. Oh, what? Man, they better sign that boy back. Come on, bro. Let me call a timeout. I'm tripping. I'm tripping like I'm playing Retro Bowl. Fuller, man. Golly, okay. Ooh, wee. Okay. Yes. Boop. Time out. Alright. This is big right here. This is big. 15 seconds. Man, what we do? We kick a field goal and try overtime. I think I'm going to try one play right here. Oh, I don't want Fuller like that. No. I want Fails to go out like that. Okay. Kenny Steals to go that way. I'm going to have to step up a little bit. Will Fuller. Got him. See, Madden in real life are two different things. And in Madden, Fuller is my guy. Oh, I like him in real life, but I know in Madden he's more likely to do more. It's on, y'all. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. Telling you, bro. That's what we needed. I told y'all. It's on. Now, can we hold up for 9 seconds? We going to prevent. Don't do nothing. Dumb. Prevent. I'm playing in the secondary because I want to pick. I'm trying to go to Pick City. Pick City. They got 4 seconds left. Going in the prevent. Hey, you know what the suck though? For real, is if they get a penalty on us. Look at my homeboy. I got nothing but respect for him. Well, you ain't getting that touchdown. Big ups to Patrick Mahomes and the Chiefs. We know the reverse happened in real life though. Andy Reid was smiling and Bill O'Brien was throwing his clipboard down. We know Andy Reid in the playoffs and Bill O'Brien's at home. Yeah, boy. Well, I'm happy with this result. Bill O'Brien get to stay another day. Hey. And to be honest, if you take away the 2 picks, I think I probably might have more on the points total. But that's it for this Madden video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm going to give you some other videos later. Big Black Wolf and I'm out. Ow!